My daily life is very simple and disciplined. I try to follow a regular routine every day. It helps me stay healthy, active, and focused on my studies. I usually wake up early in the morning. After waking up, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I say my morning prayers. In the morning, I like to enjoy some fresh air. Sometimes I go for a short walk or do light exercise. After that, I take my breakfast and get ready for the day. I spend most of my day studying. I attend my classes and listen carefully to my teachers. I try to complete my homework on time. During my free time, I read books and newspapers or watch educational videos. These activities help me increase my knowledge and improve my skills. In the afternoon, I have lunch and take a short rest. After that, I go outside to play or spend time with my friends. Playing games refreshes my mind and keeps me physically fit. When I return home in the evening, I wash my hands and face and have a light snack. After that, I sit down to complete my homework. I try to finish my studies carefully so that I can understand my lessons well. Sometimes I revise what I learned in school or read storybooks to improve my reading skills. After completing my homework, I spend some time with my family. We talk about our day and share our thoughts. Sometimes I help my parents with small household chores. At night, I have dinner with my family. We talk about our day, which makes me feel happy and relaxed. Then I revise my lessons and prepare for the next day. Before going to bed, I say my prayers again and reflect on my work. Thus, my daily life is busy but peaceful. I always try to use my time properly and lead a meaningful life.